Hey you guys, this is Amber J from Best Bets Trades, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. I'm going to go over a call out that was made by Gundy for Meta, and the calls were triggered on Meta, and we know this because we got our alerts the night before in our Discord, and we set the price alerts for the calls and for the puts. In this case, the calls were triggered. So I'm going to go over how we played this play today, because we do, even though we get the call outs from Gundy, we still do watch the indicators to make sure that the trade is going to be trading in the right direction and that we're on the right side of the trade. So we have confirmations that we look for when we do this. So I'm going to just press play here and we'll see what we do. So right away we like to have a couple of candles plot out first during the day. And as you can see, I'm just going to pause it there for a second. So we got the sell signal in the morning, and then we'd like to see a couple candles plot out so we kind of can determine what direction that the market is going to go in. And so we got the buy signal, and we're about to get the cross up of the EMAs. So what I would be looking for in this case would be, my target would be the 200 EMA, because that acts as support and resistance. And then if it gets through that, my next target would be the resistance line at 164.53. So that would be a phenomenal play if it got to that level. So right now it wicked off and formed support above previous day low, and we got the buy signal, and we're about to get the cross. So let's see. Here we go. So it's going to play out. We got the cross up here. You could have entered here. And as long as the 9 EMA holds support, which is the blue line right there, you're okay. And then the first target is the 200 moving average. And I would have taken profits here. And there, as you can see, it's still forming support on that 200 moving average. And then once we got above it, and that 9 EMA crossed up, I would have been entering in again to get into that play. It always comes back to touch that 9 EMA. And then I got above that second resistance, and then the next target would be previous day high. So as long as you're above that 9 EMA, that blue one right there, see how it just uses that as support and kicks off of it, you're good. And now we're at the previous day high, and it's using it as resistance. It can't quite get above, and then you start to see it turn to the downside. There, we got the sell signal confirmed, and then you just wait for the cross. I'm just going to pause it here because I want to show you something important. Even though we got the sell signal and we got the cross of the EMAs, we have that 200 EMA that acts as support, plus the 50 EMA that also acts as support, and then there's also support here now at 163.63. So you have 3 levels of support that you would need to act as resistance before I would get into a short. And we'll see how that plays out in this play here. And I'm sure I can speed it up a little bit here for you. Oops, I sped it up too much. But as you can see, it acted as that 200 EMA acted as support all the way through until it came down at the end of the day, or almost after market there as well. So that's how we would have played it on the way up, and that's how you could have watched and saved yourself a little bit of heartache here when it was using that 200 EMA as support. So anyways, if you'd like access to Gundy's indicators and like to have access to our Discords and daily callouts, please like and subscribe. We'd be more than happy to have you. It's seven days of free trial to see if we're a good fit for each other, and to get access to the indicators, the callouts, our live voice channel, where there's amazing plays every single day on live voice with the market open in real time. You can learn how to trade with us live. It's actually pretty incredible. We're a great group of people. It is $50 a month, less than a cup of coffee a day, and we do have a couple of lifetime memberships available, which is a one-time fee. So if you're interested in that, please feel free to check us out as well. Also, too, we're doing a membership giveaway, a free month for if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, follow our Twitter page. So on September the 4th, we will be having a live draw. We'll pick somebody from the comments at random to join our Discord for free for a month. Anyways, feel free to check us out. We'd love to have you here. We're like one big happy family. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.